Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to remove text from poster in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder, and then we can go to find the poster image, and then I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the poster image. Next, we can make selection around the text. We can use Magic Wand, just Magic Wand tool here, and then click here to select text. And then we can close up to it. Make sure that we select the area outside the text piece. So we can go to select and then go to modify. We can just expand and then type the pixels. For example, I type 10 and then press OK to expand the selection. And then I press Ctrl 0 to view fit. Next, we can go to top option bar. We can find Contextual taskbar here. Click. And then we can go to select Generative Fill. Next, we can choose the model. I will choose Firefly Fill and expand 2026 version. Select it, and then we can leave it blank and we can click Generate and wait a moment. After generating, we have 3 variations in properties window. The first variation, the second variation, and the third variation. I think the first variation is good, and then we can see before and after. So this is how we can remove text from poster in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.